Did you know that overeating cucumbers can lead to unexpected health issues? Yeah, you heard that right. While cucumbers are often praised for being super healthy, there's a darker side to consuming too many of them. Stick around because what I'm about to share might just blow your mind. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might surprise you: cucumbers. These crunchy, refreshing veggies are often seen as a go-to healthy snack. But what if I told you that overindulging in them could actually wreak havoc on your health? That's right. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why moderation is key when it comes to cucumbers. So, let's get into it. First off, let's talk about some potential problems that can arise from overeating cucumbers. You might think, come on, they're just cucumbers, but hold your horses. One of the biggest issues is digestive distress. Cucumbers are packed with fiber and water, which is great for hydration. But if you go overboard, you might find yourself facing some uncomfortable bloating or gas. Not to mention, too much water can lead to something called water intoxication, a rare but serious condition where your body's balance of electrolytes gets thrown out of whack. Believe it or not, that can lead to headaches, nausea, and even more severe health issues. So while cucumbers might seem harmless, overeating them can definitely cause some pretty unpleasant consequences. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the nutritional content of cucumbers. They're about 95% water, which makes them an excellent low-calorie option for hydration. But here's the kicker. That high water content combined with their fiber can be a double-edged sword. When you eat cucumbers, they can absorb water in your digestive system, leading to that uncomfortable feeling of fullness. And if you combine them with other high-fiber foods, you might just end up feeling like a balloon ready to pop. Plus, if you're munching on cucumbers constantly throughout the day, you could inadvertently be pushing other nutrients out of your diet. Moderation is key, folks. Okay, here comes the juicy part. Did you know that there was a case of a guy who decided to go on a cucumber-only diet for a week? Sounds crazy, right? Well, he ended up in the hospital after experiencing severe digestive issues and dehydration. His body just couldn't handle the sheer volume of cucumbers he was consuming. Doctors pointed out that while cucumbers are healthy, relying solely on them deprived him of essential nutrients from other food groups. So if you're thinking about going on a cucumber binge, take a step back and think twice. This just goes to show that even the healthiest foods can have their downsides when it comes to moderation. To wrap it all up, we've discussed how cucumbers, while being a great healthy snack, can lead to some serious issues if you overindulge. Digestive problems, water intoxication, and nutrient imbalance are just a few of the risks associated with overeating cucumbers. Remember, moderation is key to a healthy lifestyle, so enjoy your cucumbers, but don't go overboard. Now that you know the terrifying truth about overeating cucumbers, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had a weird experience with cucumbers? Drop your stories in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about healthy eating habits that don't involve extreme measures, check out my next video right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.